Most people that own WordPress website don't use it to the full potential. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can build your own social media scheduler inside of WordPress. It means you can schedule your social media content from your WordPress website. You could convert your blog content to a social media post that will automatically be posted on different social media accounts. Your Facebook, your LinkedIn, your Instagram, TikTok, and a whole lot more. But you could do all of these from your WordPress website. And you can start with a free tool without paying a dime. But I'm going to be using both the free and the premium feature. But let me quickly show you some of the things we could do. So before then, if you're seeing this video for the first time, please do well to click on the follow button or subscribe to our channel. My name is Matthew Brown and this is The Flight. So let's head over. Now, this is a blog post we made, but I'm going to show you how we are going to schedule this, or we're going to try the automatic blog post. Now, this is a social media account and this is a page. I'm going to create a blog post and you will see how it will automatically be posted directly into this our social media, our Facebook page. So let's come here. We are going to go to our WordPress site and we've clicked on add blog post, right? So I'm just going to copy this blog. So I'm going to call it what an AI really means or something like that. I'm just going to add stuff here just to give you an example of it. Just a short write-up. And we're going to add this here. Now we've done this, so click on go to post here and we're going to click on add set featured image. Now what we're using is what we call the automated post feature. All right, so I'm just going to use this image, then click on set image and publish. Now we're publishing this post on WordPress, right? But one of the things it will do is that once the post has been published, it will move to our social media that we've linked to our WordPress site. It will automatically be posted on our Facebook page. So let's go back to our Facebook page and just do a quick refresh. So we'll scroll down and you can find it here, what an AI agent actually means. You see that it's automatically be posted, right? You also see a link and you can read less on more. But this is just a basic text to show you that it works. Now, you can see that it was published by BitSocial, which is from our WordPress website. Now, we're using a plugin called BitSocial, and you can find it here. Now, the feature we're using currently is called WP Automated Post. When we create a blog post, it will automatically convert that blog post to a social media post and post it on our social media link, right? You can find a whole lot. But let's go into building it. So what we have done is we've gone ahead to create a blank WordPress website, right? There's nothing here. We've only installed the plugin, the pro version and the free version. You can start with the free version. What you want to do is to just go to plugins, click on add new, types BitSocial. You can install it. Once you do that, you want to click on settings here. If you notice, I'm going with on the free and I'm clicking on settings. Now, it has a Chrome job that automatically set up, but you can manually do that. If you want to know how to set up a Chrome job, I'll put a video in the description showing you how to do that. So what we want to do is to make sure to go and set up your Chrome job, your hosting. For this video, we're going to be using Namecheap. So I'll put a video in the description. Make sure to copy this link and set up the cron job. It's typically simple. Now, if I forget, do well to leave a comment. So what we need to do now is just to, once you set up your cron job, what you need to do is to come to account. You're going to link your social media account that you want to be posting. So we're going to go with Facebook here and click on connect account. So you want to use connect. Now make sure that where you are, you're already logged in your Facebook. So if I open here, you'll notice this is our Facebook is already logged in here. So I'm just going to click on connect and we continue here. So we click on continue. So we click on connect. So we've connected before, but we're just going to reconnect. Just make sure to follow the process. It will automatically connect your Facebook. Now, just so you know, Facebook does not allow website or all this social media scheduler to post directly to your Facebook account. So it's usually going to be posting to your page. So you want to click on save on the particular page you want to post to, right? Then once you do that, you can see that those pages has been added. They're all the social media platform, but if you're using the free, you probably will just get a limited number of them. But if you're using the pro, if you have the pro plugin, you can get everything. So we have LinkedIn, Discord, Google Business, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, Threads, Telegram. So you can create one blog post and post on multiple platforms. You could also just create your post directly here using WP post schedule and schedule when that post will actually go out, the day, the time, and all of those stuff. It also comes with an AI prompt where you could connect to your OpenAI API key. If you don't have a OpenAI API key, you could go and get that, and it's actually you can pay for $5 and you get a key that you can use for as long as you want. So you can click on connect and connect it. But that's what we just need to do. But I just want to show you the part we just implemented. We come to auto WP auto post. This will enable you so that every time you make a blog post on your website, that blog post will be automatically posted on all across all your social media platforms. So it says create and select an account. So I'm just going to select these two accounts, right? Then we can automate this. Then what you want to choose is post. So every time you create a blog post, it will automatically go there. Then do you want to share it immediately? I want to delay. I want it immediately. Then that's all you need to do here. The next part you want to go to is go to templates. Template is how your blog post will appear on your social media handle. So first of all, we want to use what we call link card. So it will show the image, it will add the link, right, with your WordPress website name. So at the title, we want the blog post title. We also want we use smart tag. We also want a short description of the post. So we could use full post content. It will show the complete post, but we're going to use post content short. So it's just a short, but we're going to use here, let's go with 100. So this will give us about 100 text before it will put the read more option, right? And I think that's all we need to do. Then that's all, and it will automatically save. So once we start creating blog posts here, it will automatically connect to our social media platform and post it there. Make sure you connect all the social media accounts you want to connect so that all of the automation will go. Like I've also talked about, you could connect your OpenAI key, then click on create prompt. Here you could create different prompts so that every time you have a blog post, what OpenAI will do or what your AI will do is that it's going to summarize that blog post so that you can post it on your social media platform and more. So if this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is a basic way of adding, what am I saying? This is a simple way of adding social media scheduler on your WordPress site and start posting every day. So all you need to do is just create a blog post, and automatically that blog post will go across the social media platform. You could also use WordPress as your social media scheduler where you schedule posts directly from WordPress. And it also comes with a whole lot. You could create what we call your calendar. Here you can have your content calendar. Inside here, schedule all the posts for different date, what kind of posts, and a whole lot more. So these and more you could do. Do well to explore the Beat Social plugins, and I hope this video was helpful today. Thank you once more. My name is Matthew Brown, and this is it. If you want us to help you build your website or automate your process or even help you upgrade and upscale your website, do well to leave a comment or do well to reach out to us. We'll put our WhatsApp contacts in the description below. And don't forget to follow. This will be the best decision you are making. Way more to come. In the next video, we're going to be talking about full-time automation. Now, this video, we're going to cut across how you can use your Claude AI on your mobile phone to automate your WordPress process, where you can tell Claude to create a blog post. It will post it on your WordPress site. It will automatically post it on each of your social media platform, and you can do way a lot better. So if you're interested, do well to reach out to me or just follow us for the next video. Thank you. My name is Matthew Brown. I love you.